Hi students, and welcome to week 6 in your online lifespan growth and development class. This week we will look at the social and emotional development in early childhood. So we're in the same age range that we were last week, that age of 2 to 6, but this week taking a focus on the social emotional development. So let's look at your module for the week. Here is your PowerPoint for this chapter, and you will have a discussion question. I'll explain more about that, and then your chapter 6 quiz. So let's look at your discussion question for this week. So basically what you have here is I've given you a case study. Tyler and Teresa have a daughter, Gracie, and she's about to start kindergarten. So she's at that age range of early childhood. And they are faced with the, question of whether or not they should put Gracie into bilingual education classes, or have her only speak English, and kind of getting some different advice from the family. So read that scenario, and then I've given you a list of resources. So you may use any of these you want to, or you can find your own resources on the pros and cons of bilingual education. But just know these are here if that would help you develop your decision to give to Gracie's parents. And then what I want you to do is write about 3 paragraphs. And so one paragraph about point A, B, and C. So that would total your 3 paragraphs there. So in the first paragraph, you're writing about what is the sensitive period for learning about language. Again, the resources will help you understand that and develop a case for why it may be easier to learn another language at an earlier age versus later on in life. The second paragraph you'll write about is please give me at least 5 pros and at least 5 cons of bilingual education. And again, you'll find that in your research. And then paragraph C is based upon, what you learned, especially with what you wrote about in paragraph 1 and 2, what advice are you giving Gracie's parents about her kindergarten experience? So that is your initial post. Please do not forget to respond to at least 2 classmates post, so that this becomes a discussion question, and so you're talking back and forth with your classmates on this. Okay, and here is your rubric for this assignment. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a great day, everybody.